opportunity tonight. Probably tomorrow night too. I don't know. I got already have another one delivers Thursday morning or Wednesday. No, Wednesday. Yeah, because today's gonna be Tuesday. Working graveyard is confusing sometimes. Anyways, I got another job tonight. Picking up here at Boeing Field, and I'm early. So this time, maybe we get through the gate. Since I wasn't able to show it last night, hopefully I can show it tonight. And I could have went in that other entrance, but I missed it. Back over to Smokeland, or Spokane, I mean. But as far as the weather here, actually I don't know if you call smoke weather, but I'm able to see clear blue sky and stars, planes flying by, something I could not do last night. So the smoke has been blown away by the winds, at least here in Seattle-Tacoma area. It got so thick and heavy on my ride home yesterday, you could literally only see probably 300 yards in front of you. Everything else was like a thick fog. It was just smoke everywhere. Had me coughing and sneezing, irritated my eyes, had a headache. I'm hoping that they have it more contained this evening. This morning, I saw a lot of fire personnel vehicles headed that direction yesterday, so let's hope for the best, because I know breathing that stuff in is not good for our lungs. Right, I'm actually a half an hour early. Let's see if they'll let me in. Anybody answers the phone tonight.
Hi, how you doing today?
Pretty good. Yourself? I'm supposed to meet tail N355KC.
Okay, Kilo Charlie, alright. Let you in and just park anywhere. You should be here in about an hour.
An hour? Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Cool. Here we go. Bing. Modern aviation. Get to chill out by the planes. And now I get to wait. So I'm gonna sit here and watch somebody else's YouTube channels and stuff. But hey, grab. You can see a plane over there. Some planes over there. Can't really see a whole lot with the camera up right like this. But I can't switch it now, I don't think. If I turn it sideways, it just stays this way. Or it goes sideways and then it looks stupid when I post it. That was it. As German would say, live here from Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, push notification bell, subscribe to the channel. Poking fun. Hope you see it, Mike. Anyways, everybody have a good night. Everybody in this neck of the woods is probably sleeping. It's 12:22 a.m. So hopefully everybody's sleeping. and getting a good night's rest. I'm out here working, grinding, making that money. Anyways, if anything eventful happens, I will... Actually, you know what? I'll probably turn the camera back on when the plane pulls up, because that's kind of cool. He pulls up right across, like, 10 feet from me. Then I can drive over and get the package. So stay tuned for that. That'll happen. And then, who knows? Talk to you later.